In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy GoDaddy email. Buying a GoDaddy email is a straightforward process, especially now that their professional email and Microsoft 365 email packages are bundled with domain services. To get started, go to the GoDaddy website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it before continuing. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Email and Office section. Here, GoDaddy lists its available email products, typically offering professional email with your domain or Microsoft 365 based email hosting with additional productivity features. Select the email plan that best suits your needs. The professional email option is ideal if you only need a branded email address tied to your domain, like yourname@yourbusiness.com. On the other hand, Microsoft 365 email is a better choice if you want added tools such as Word, Excel, Teams, and OneDrive integrated with your mailbox. After choosing your preferred plan, click Add to Cart. You'll then be guided through checkout. If you already own a domain with GoDaddy, you can link your new email address to it during the setup. If not, you'll have the option to purchase a new domain as part of the bundle. Once payment is complete, GoDaddy will send you instructions to activate and configure your mailbox. After activation, you can access your GoDaddy email via webmail on GoDaddy's site, the Microsoft Outlook app, or any other email client by using the configuration settings provided in your account. The setup usually takes only a few minutes, and your branded email will be fully ready to use. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.